This video for Expert Appliance Center. Hi Oleg, my name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of this video you liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay with me. So now let me show 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is content. So you want to make sure homepage you have a lot of content, more than 1500 words and even more. And also you have correct keywords, and the pictures need to be saved in the proper way also. So for example, if we check it out, see, except of these numbers could be some keywords, so and it's gonna help you too. So the second thing I want to talk about is citation. So if you come here, we can see Google guaranteed, and it's good to be here. And then we see ads here. But now in 2020, a lot of people have ad blockers, so it's a 50-50. Some people can see this, some not. And then if you come here, we can see map pack. So what is a citation? It is essentially your business name, address, and the phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. It's basically, to put it simply, your yellow pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services within there would be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high on these maps here, you need to make sure that you are looking at your competition's directory listing and seeing what they're currently being listed in, and you want to try go out and get yourself listed in there as well. But you don't want to just stop, whatever they have. You want to add a little bit more, so that way you are completely dominating them and that space, and that will help you rank well here in the search. Now we already covered content and citation. Last thing I want to cover is the backlinks, and so that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. And as we see, Yelp and expertise here, and then we can see here the home advisors. So these are a lot of big national companies that are taking up the top of the page. Way backlinks work, all it means is that there's a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal. If you have, for example, an ice cream shop that had sent you a link and you did some work for them and you did a good job, and they send you a link, but their whole website's all about ice cream shops and ice cream stuff, it's not going to do it as much good for you as, let's say, another HVAC company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's going to be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So looking of one of these tools here, it's called Ahrefs. It's not 100% accurate, but it's one of those companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. So as I can see here, you have 30 referring domains. That brings you 188 links, and you're getting found for 136 keywords, and have 71 organic traffic. That's mean you have 71 people on average to your website each month. So let's see one of your competitors here. See, they have 716 referring domains. That brings them 300 backlinks, and they're getting found for more than 26,000 keywords. And out of those keywords, they're getting more than 26,000 people on average on their site each month. So to boost these numbers is very doable, and we specialize in this. So that's pretty much it for today that I had, and I hope this video had been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no worries, enjoy the free tips I've given today. If you could just give me some feedback on this video and letting me know how I did will be awesome. And thanks again, Oleg, and have a great day.